What's up? How's it going? What's up, OG Jerry? Yeah, I know I had it muted. I was trying to finish my last update real quick. Got two people in here. How's it going? Just give me 1 second. All right, what are we going to look at today? Two people in here. It is early. 10 o'clock here where I am. OG Jerry in the house. 4 people up in here. So what you guys think is going to happen today? I saw all the big influencers are all doing their election live streams. Maybe it's not going to have any effect. Maybe we're not doing anything. Wouldn't that be something? All the hype and nothing happens. We just stay in the same boat we're in. Could be a good thing though, because I really don't want to dump more. I don't want to be bearish. Yeah, let me pull up deck screener. I guess we'll look at some coins while we're waiting for people to come in. Well, with so many people live streaming today, may not be a big crowd in here today. We'll see what happens. Let me pull this up a little bigger. Man, I hope it does. I hope Trump wins and I hope we pump. I'm ready for my little shit meme coin to take off already. Tired of sitting and holding it and it just keeps slowly going down. All right, deck screener up. If Kamala wins, more time to buy. I'm sure the market is going to dump. Just not too much, hopefully. I mean, things are already on the bottom. Well, I mean, I guess they're not on the bottom as we've been looking at. Things are on the last support to be bullish, and then if we dump, everything's going to hit the low again. I guess that's not bad because then we can buy in one more time. Or everyone out there can anyway. He says Mary. Yeah, I saw someone on Twitter talking about Mary. They changed their picture too? Or am I just late to the party? But yeah, I'm still not feeling the greatest, but we're doing it here. All right, so Mary on the 3-day chart, it's still holding up over the 6 or the 0.5 or no, yeah, the 0.5 at 2.5. It's going sideways, so that's good. Making higher highs and higher lows. If we flip bullish today, maybe this thing will start running. Price to beat is 3.4 over the 618, and that's your potential breakout point. And then new high for this thing for Mary here, about a little over a 6x. If I can get this to move right. And if it goes higher than that, next stop would be 304. Then maybe get a spike up and get a nice 14x out of this thing. 5 people in here, a person a minute. T13, how's it going? AXGT lost the 148, but bounced back. Do you think the meme coins will pump tonight if Trump wins? Excuse me, hold on. I hope so. I don't know, everyone's expecting it. You guys gonna watch the elections coverage later to see what's going on? Maybe I'll live stream later during the election. Once we get a good understanding if Trump's winning, maybe we'll start going up and we'll have 1,000 people come in. What's going on, Darnell? How's it going? White dudes for Harris started to pump. White dudes for Harris. What is that on, Solana or ETH? But yeah, what's up? The 4 guys in here. No one on X watching. But yeah, Mary's a good play here. Just imagine when we start going bullish and just every meme coin out there is just pumping to the moon. No one's going to know what to do. White dudes on Solana. What is the ticker for that? I'll just type it in. White dudes. White dudes for Harris on Solana. I'd imagine it's this one, 44K market cap. Yeah, this is it, I guess. All right, let's look at this one really quick. 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Could be a good chart. This one's got some nice scam wicks on it. It broke the previous high wick here. Are you in on this one? Are there any other political coins pumping right now? Anything moving? I mean, I would think they would pump into the election. Pump all day and then tonight top out. Yeah, this one's over the 382 at 32. You're at 4.7. Got stuck right at the 0.5. So as long as you're over 32, this thing's bullish. Breakout over 9.5, and if it continues to run here, new high on this one. Nice, 40x. Potential 40x gamble play for white dudes for Harris. He said, yep, already did a 2x. Nice. Good to see you making money. Can you look at tits on Solana? It's bullish. It's sitting around 4 cents, I think. But yeah, not a bad play here. Hold to the moon, 40x on this thing if it continues to run. Looks good though. Like I said, it broke these highs back here. And then he said TITS. Music's not too loud, is it? Oh damn, this one? This ain't gonna get me banned, is it? You said it's sitting at a what? Sitting around 4 pennies. Yeah, I guess it is all these. Yeah, there's no nudity here. I guess we're fine. This thing looks good. It looks like it's going to go again. Oh yeah, this thing looks extremely bullish here. Daily chart, 3-day chart. Yeah, looking on that smaller frame, the 2-day, or the daily rather, you can clearly see it formed a little tiny bull flag falling wedge pattern here. That looks bullish. Excuse me. Let me draw a fib on the chart here. But yeah, yet again, I apologize for my voice. Yeah, this one blew through the 618 for a breakout. Look at that. That's what we want to see. The breakout point, 61847, and it went to the moon. Damn, hopefully you own this and you're making money. It ain't done yet. And it's sitting right on the 2272 at 3.4. That's nice to see. Next stop up for TITS here is going to be the 2618 at 8.5. So 8.5 pennies. Another 100% move. But it isn't a bullish pattern, so maybe it goes a lot higher. 100% move up to a, damn, about a 28, almost a 28x, up to $1.13. But yeah, this one had a good looking chart with some history. It curled up, higher highs, higher lows, and it just went. Not bad. He says, anyone know what time they announced the president? They usually don't call it on the night. Unless it's a clear winner, they'll call it. But it usually takes a couple of days for all the voting to come in to be official. All the mail-in ballots, the overseas ballots, everything to come in. But I would imagine tonight we're going to have a clear understanding of who's winning. Unless they pull something and it's neck and neck the whole time and no one knows anything. I don't know. We'll see what kind of shenanigans happens tonight. Probably trying to take another hit at Trump. What's up, Joseph? How's it going? Grand Rising, top of the morning. What's up, Silver? How's it going? Appreciate you coming in here all the time, being bullish. El Verano says, Arrow. Damn. Can we look at Conan on Ethereum? CONAN. Conan on Ethereum. This one here. What is this? Is this Trump's dog or something? Not a bad looking chart. I can already see it. Yeah, I'll wait till you confirm this is it. U.S. Trump for Texas here. Silver, you're from Texas also? We were talking about Texas last night. A lot of people in here from Texas. Charles is going to play the political coins, then swap them all out for Toad. Is Toad still going to run, you think? Yeah, listen to Silver here. Smash the like button with the 12 people that are in here. Yeah, we'll go look at Arrow in a minute. Verano. How's it going? I don't know if you've been in here before. El Verano. Is Arrow still dumping, though? Yeah, so Silver, me, Patrick. Who was the other one? There was another guy in here. All right, we're going to look at Conan here. I don't know what this is, but I'd imagine this is it. It's got a good looking chart. Looks like it's trying to break out already. Conan. Yeah, it's getting stuck right at the 236 here. So this one's not bullish yet. Bottom in over 8.8. Bullish over 13. So 5 zeros 8.8 and then bullish over 4 zeros 1.3. Breakout is over 4 zeros 2.1. And then if this one makes a new high, almost a 7x to a new high on this one, to 4 zeros 4. Donald Trump, American hero, Conan. Yeah, if they all pump today before we know who won, if all the Trump coins and Kamala coins and whatever else coins start pumping, yeah, it's probably best to do what he just said. Be ready to sell before they announce. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Not financial advice, of course. What is that, Jerry? SatX, baby. Is that a meme coin? AA says we're gonna go up no matter what, no matter who wins, but I think Kamala gonna win. Yeah, we'll see what happens. That's what my daughter told me this morning. All the young kids in school, all the teenagers, they all for Kamala. But what do kids know, huh? Oh, you're from San Antonio, so we got another Texas in the house. OG Jerry from San Antonio. I haven't been to San Antonio in a while. We always take vacations there. Get a hotel downtown. Hit all the spots. We took the kids one time, OG, to that haunted hotel and stayed in that one weekend. The Minger? I can't remember what it's called now. It's the old haunted one downtown. He says, you think Conan will pump all-time high if Trump wins? There's no telling, my man. We're going to know tonight what's going to happen. I don't know. All the influencers right now are talking about election stuff, so from my past experience, when everyone's talking about something and then it finally happens, we usually dump. So just be prepared. But I hope we pump. Team Salty says, I think Kamala wins because everyone is stupid. I guess we're going to go look over at Arrow. What is Arrow doing? And yet again, I'm sorry about the damn coughing. I can't help it. Arrow going to 0 still. Oh, we're on a small time frame here. 3-day chart. It's still below the 382 and getting stuck here. It's holding higher lows. But yeah, even though it's below both 382s here. But until you get back over 107 to 115, this thing's not bullish right now, and it could easily come down to these other targets here. Which, if it stays below this, it's liable to come down here. We pointed this out last night. If the price does dump down here, it's still making higher lows overall. Still a good looking chart for a push up on the macro. Arrow to the moon. Yeah, and I just did an update on Opal. I don't know if you guys know what Opal is. I put it on the channel. It has a very good looking chart. I think someone's been asking for it on videos, comments. Why is it not popping up? Wait, did Caspa hold? Damn, that sucks. Caspa did hold. I wanted the long Caspa so bad here. Ondo. What's up, No Whack? Morning to you. Oh yeah, I think No Whack's from Texas too. OG Jerry here's from San Antonio. Ondo, yeah, we'll look at Ondo. Yeah, I agree with that, Yosef. Ready for it to be done. Said and done with. But yeah, did any of you guys open up a long on Caspa? If you were able to? I've been pretty much saying that for days now. Sucks that I couldn't do it. Doesn't mean it can't go down more, but it's already starting to move up. Caspa to the moon. Yeah, I guess we'll go look at Ondo. I don't know which list I have it on. Ondo. Okay, I imagine that's the top of the fib. Oh yeah, Ondo's the one that's going to dump in January. So by January, if it's still down here, it's going to have a 17 billion market cap to hit this almost 7x at $5. But right now, it got stuck at the 0.5. Broke the downtrend, of course, but it got stuck. Double top, lower high, and it's down below the 618. It is still making higher lows here. So that is good to see. And if we simply go from the low to the high. All right, sitting right on that last final 786 support at 5.8. 5.8, 6.4 is the price to beat. Get you over the other 618 here, but it looks good. That potentially is the bottom. Market structure's holding, and it's on that final support. So any lower than 5.8, then you will drop down to the 786 here and break structure and drop down to 47 and drop 25%. So it's pretty much a must-hold price here, and you need to get over 68 to get some sort of momentum back. But I said that 7x, but let me change that because I didn't pull this down. But now to make it up here is about probably an 8x. Yeah, an 8x to a 7 billion market cap or a 17 billion market cap. Dumping coins in January. Damn it. Yep, Bryan College Station. How and where do we buy Caspa in Texas? You can buy it on Uphold, but you can't long it. I tried to get back on MEXC to do it, but they just kept banning me, even with a VPN. So I just said, screw it, I'm done. They just don't want us to make money. Yeah, Uphold's the only place to get it. Yeah, you can buy it on there, but you can't long it or anything, so what's the point? You've been waiting to see if it dumps below 10. I don't think it is. If it does, it's going to break macro market structure, and then it's going way down. Which is good, I guess, because then we can buy it cheaper, because we can't long it anyway. But yeah, if it breaks this green line, which it hit, it did break it barely. We were looking at that. It barely broke this previous low. So that had to be the bottom, or it's going way down, which it could still go down, like I said. What about Jasmine? Is Jasmine still holding up? Which we're on non-log for some damn reason. QNT got a bounce off of that 786 support. Bottom for QNT was just put in if you ever wanted to buy the bottom. Oh, Solana's pumping. Let's go. Solana meme coins to the moon. Litecoin still looks good. Curling up here for OG. Looks just like Elon. Yeah, everything's starting to pump right now. Just a little bit. But yeah, Jasmine's not doing anything. It's still sitting over our green support box. Yet to break down. Maybe it's waiting for tonight. See if we're going to dump. And then Jasmine's going to 0. What's up, everyone coming in here? Got 18 people. DJ to the moon. Yeah, Uphold I don't believe has futures, so that's why you can't long anything on Uphold. It's kind of just like, I forgot about Robinhood. You can't long on Robinhood, I would imagine. Robinhood you could just buy certain tokens and that's it. Buy and hold. What's up, Missbug? Good morning. Is Bitcoin back over 70K? Really? You said look at what? Let's see. Yeah, DGen. Is DGen still holding up? Alicia, how's it going? Can you look at Crow? Someone asked for something a minute ago. I forgot what it was. A meme coin. Yeah, we'll go look at meme coins in just a moment. We're just kind of... Well, we looked at Ondo already, and... What's DGen doing? DGen's still holding up in its bullish pattern here. Yep. DGen's gearing up to go. Beautiful little bull flag pattern here over the 382 at 008. Time to go up. DGen to the moon. 20x to a $2.7 billion market cap, new high at 16. Yeah, DGen looks really good here. Crow. I haven't looked at Crow in a while. You're bullish on LTC and Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, I think those are good for 5 to 10x's. They'll have a decent little run. And those older coins like that, like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, all those old coins are good for like good, solid, almost guaranteed 5, 10x plays. Let's go. What's up, Jesus? Yeah, I got banned from KuCoin, Mexi, Bitmart, all those other exchanges that I could buy the other things on just all got banned. You can't use them unless you have a VPN, and then they still ban you and take your money. Yeah, Kindu Inu, okay. The one and only. How's it going? Kindu on base. Let me look at Crow, and then we'll go back over to the meme coins. I don't know if I have a chart for Crow. We may have to look this up. Kronos. I don't know. Crow's been a disappointment. They had all those deals go through, and they had all that hype from the UFC. Trying to see what it's doing here. Damn. No idea why this junk is on here. Alright, so just keeping it simple on Crow. It's down below the macro 236, so the bottom's not in as long as you're below 9.7, bullish over 15 cents. It looks to be, excuse me, trying my best not to cough here. It's down below the 618, apparently coming to the 786 at 6 pennies here. Draw one more tiny fib on that little wick. That's not the fib. Dang it. But yeah, Crow, yeah, it's down below this 7862, so there's really no support here. It was trying to hold up, and now it's coming down. So Crow here, I would just expect it to come down to the 786 and drop. Unless it turns around for some reason, drop another 12% to 6 pennies. And then that would be your final support level for it to go back up. And then where's Crow going to go? No idea. We do have this here. I don't know if it's changed. Excuse me. 29x up to 214. 56 billion market cap. If you think that's possible. 786 retracement puts Crow at 50 cents and a 7x from where it is today, which those will change if it comes down, which it looks like it wants to. So about a 7.5x up to 50 cents maybe on Crow in the bull run, or a 4.5x up to 30. But right now, it looks like it's coming down to that final support level. Kindu. I bought some Kindu last night's bottom. Yeah, we'll go look at it. I can't even say your name. Rack. I can't even say that. Shub, but we'll call you Shub. What's up, Shub? Welcome in. XCN. Oh yeah, XCN we're very bullish on. I like XCN. I want it to wait for me so I can buy in at the bottom. If I ever make any money on my stupid coin, which isn't going to be much. But yeah, XCN still holding that final support. We just went over the same thing with Crow, low to the high, 786. It's going sideways here. Very bullish looking, because if you ever wanted to buy XCN at a bottom, this is it. That's why I say, I don't think if we dump after the election and everything goes down, then most things are going to come back down to the low, which that would suck. But yeah, we'll go look at Kindu after I finish XCN here. But XCN we've covered all the time. XCN has a lot of potential on the returns here. If it pumps up and only hits a 382 retracement in a bull market to 5, 4.5x. If it hits the 0.5 at 1 penny, 8.5 almost a 9x. 618 retracement in a bull run, 17.5x up to 2 pennies. And then if it hits $1 billion or almost 2 billion at 5.5 pennies, you're getting a 45, 46x out of this thing to a 786 retracement. A lot of potential for a lot of good selling opportunities on XCN there. I hope it waits for me. Oh, how much Crow did you get, Alicia? I still have Crow sitting on my Cryto.com wallet. It's all been free too. They're giving out their tokens for free because it ain't going nowhere. But he bought Kindu. Wait, what'd you say? Kindu on base. Okay. 18 people in here. How you guys coming in here now feeling about the election today? You think we're going to dump or we're going to pump? And who do you think is going to win? Look at Conan. Kindu. Kindu on base is probably going to do very well. Is it just me, or did everyone change the pictures here? These all look different now. Everyone's getting ready for the bull market, I guess. Is this the right one? Joseph, XCN, XCD, XCD shipping. I've never heard of XX Network. I don't know what that is. Exactly, certain dinosaur coins are already regulated and they're going to be used. ETFs, yeah. A lot of good plays with the older ones. Alright, yeah, this is it, okay. So looking at Kindu. Potentially he's bullish here. It looks like a pattern's forming. Well, no, it's making higher highs and higher lows. Give me 1 second. I gotta get a tissue. Swift Coin had a nice pump today. Yeah, a lot of things are starting to turn around now. Someone said, Novak said, we're over 70K again. What if we make a new high throughout the day and then the election hits and then we dump back down? But looking at Kindu, did I unmute myself? Hello. Yeah, okay. All right, Kindu here. Let me just go back to the 3-day chart. Let's see where this thing's getting stuck. Let's get the pointless volume off. High to the low on Kindu. sitting right above the 0.5, stuck right at the 618. So once you get, which we're on the 3-day, let's look at the weekly. Yeah, once you get a weekly close over that 618, or you get some momentum over that 5060, that's your breakout point here. And Kindu to make a new high. Once it finally gets over the 618 and starts running, which it is curled up on that smaller time frame, you're looking at a 100% move. So 2x up to 1-1, and if it goes higher, of course. Depending on where you bought in, you said you bought last night, but if you bought the bottom on this thing, then you're getting a decent little run. About a 19x from the bottom. But yeah, it's making higher highs and higher lows right here. Next higher high would take you up to the 786 here. So maybe the next move up, which it's already moving here, get you through the 618 and you move up 33%, hit that next high, and then you pull back once again, and then maybe you go to the moon at that point. Which is not a huge moon play because it's only, like I said, to that new high, a 2x. But it's something. What's up, Brian? No, we have not looked at Moonwell yet, and you're early. Yeah, I agree. Keep an eye out for the dump. But are we really at, anyone else want to look at a meme coin while we're here? Appreciate you guys being in here. I appreciate you coming in here, the only one. Not a problem. I guess while we're here, I haven't looked in a couple days because I just don't want to look. Ponky, Baby Pepe, Alien Base, Bloop. What is Speedy doing? Speedy's still sitting on support. Someone says they're going to dump their money into Toad. Toad's still holding up. It's still sitting perfectly on the 1618 at 7029. It's at 3.3 at the moment. Toad's not looking bad here. It got a nice wick forming. It held support. Toad may start running again. Damn. Toad to the moon. Sell my Soul Ordi and put it into Toad here. Soul Ordi ain't doing anything. It broke the downtrend and did nothing. But I guess since used car and honk stopped in their tracks and pulled back, that's the reason this thing's pulling back. See, I just can't win. This thing fell back down below the downtrend. Shaking my head. What the hell, man? Damn, it's even getting stuck at the damn downtrend. I just need one decent play. Give me my money. Damn. Yeah, that'll be nice to see the direction we're heading in. I mean, we're coming up on 2025. We should just go up and sideways and up from here. I have some Ponky and Hoppy, and I hear some things about Hoppy, but not sure. What are you hearing about Hoppy? Yeah, we look at Hoppy all the time here. Damn. Hoppy's not looking too bad. It's still over the previous high. Hit the 1272 new high after it broke out. So this is why we always look at the new high, because these things tend to run up and hit a new high, which is that 1272. Holding over this, it looks good here. Higher highs and higher lows. We're on the 3-day chart, but if you zoom in, you would see it a little better. But as long as you're over 2-0 on Hoppy here, it does have a little green candle spawning in. I don't know how high it's going to go. 112 million market cap. Top of the fib here would get you damn, is that a 200x? That is a 260x, 265x. Geez. But that's 7 pennies from where it is right now. That's probably not going to happen. But from where it is right now, 1618 is very possible. 139% move, and if it blows through that, 8x almost to 002. But yeah, it's in a good spot. She says, look at Honk. Did Honk hold the 236 or did it come down? Honk, honk. Mess with the bonk. Mess with the honk, get the bonk. Oh, Honk got a bounce. That's what I like to see. That's exactly what we were expecting. Came back down to the 236 and bounced. It's right above the 382 to be bullish again. At 4.4, it's at 4.6. So you're back to being bullish on Honk here. Not bad. Hopefully it continues to run. Next stop is a 63% move to 6.9, and hopefully it moves all the way up here to the 618. 150% move, and then once you get over a penny, it's going to start flying to the moon. So once Honk gets over a penny, that's it. From where you are right now to the new high on Honk is still a decent, almost 27.5x. Honk's a good one. Honk. Yeah, that's hard to do. You guys say find a good project, quality projects that's new and hasn't even run yet. So what do you guys think about Soul Ordi? Should I stay in it? It fell back down in the downtrend. There's just no one buying it. Maybe I should just take that little speck of money that's left in it and put it in Toad. Even though Toad ran a lot, it looks like it's going to run again. But every time I buy something, it just goes down. GFI and PNG are finally moving, are they? Yeah, we're fixing to go back over there. We got to look at Well. Excuse me for my coughing. Cheddar Boppy. What is that? Is that a meme coin? What is that on? Eric, what's up? He says TIA short term. What is TIA? If Hoppy goes, I think Baby Hoppy may go along with it. If you want, look at Baby Hoppy on ETH. Baby Hoppy. There's always a baby. Is there a baby Trump coin? Baby Hoppy on ETH. What'd you say the market cap was? I lost your comment. 1.75. So 1.75 market cap. Oh, this one maybe? B Hoppy. Oh damn, this thing's bullish as hell right now. This is it, huh? Baby Hoppy's going to the moon. Can't do anything with this. Is this it? Because you said it's going to run. Ends in 2CBB. Okay. CCB. Yeah, this is it. Has to be it. This thing's already running, dude. We missed the train, missed the boat, missed the rocket on this one. Damn. Yep. All I can do on it, high to the low. It's above the 1618 here. And still bullish. If it continues to move, baby Hoppy's going to the moon before daddy Hoppy. 0069, 4x, 300% move from where it is. Not bad. Yeah, D-Gen looks good. D-Gen's in a bull flag. It's probably about to take off. Cheddar is on Soul, and Boppy is one and the same as Hoppy. Ryan says, just sent you Cash App for 23.5 Moonwell. Please, thanks for all your help. I appreciate that. I'll take your word for it. You sent me 23. Oh, hold on. Excuse me. Yeah, let me go look at that. I'm not sure what you mean, but thank you. I appreciate that. TIA short term, what is that? But yeah, Hoppy to the moon, baby Hoppy. That's what I want to catch. I need to catch something like baby Hoppy before it runs. I'm about to be back at 0. Said Cheddar. This one here. Damn, you guys are coming up with these ones that are already gone. It's extremely bullish if this is it, but I'm gonna go check my Cash App. Yeah, we're gonna go do Moonwell since he sent me some Cash App. All right, I appreciate that, man. Yep. Appreciate that a lot. We're gonna go look at Well for Mr. Long here. I'm up 133% on the bottom of D-Gen. We got Jason. How's it going? Welcome back for 5. Love your videos. Can you take a look at Graph and Cody and give me your take for the bull run? Yes, I can. I appreciate the 5. All right, let me look at Cheddar, and then we're going over to Well. Nothing in between. Cheddar to the moon here. Yeah, it's getting stuck right at the 786 here. It's over the 618, so once you get over 79, new high comes into play. And the new high on Cheddar. Do you own this one? You making money on it? Because it doesn't have to come up here, but if it does, another 62% move once you break over 7.9. It'll have some huge green candles spawn in here. Cheddar to the moon. But yeah, hopefully you bought the bottom on this thing. Oh, let me switch it to log. See what log tells us. All right, on log. Looks better here. Broke the downtrend, and she's been going ever since. It's above the 786, so scratch what I said before. 48, as long as you're over that, it looks to be going to break that high. So instead of a 62% move, you're probably going up 200% move. So a 3x from where you are right now if it stays bullish, which it looks extremely bullish right now. Could very well pull what it did back here where it just holds support for a minute and then it goes up, but it looks good. Not bad. But yeah, we got to go over here, prioritize the money donations here. I appreciate them. All right, let's go look at Moonwell to the moon. Hopefully Moonwell's still holding up where it's been holding up. Well, yeah, well, still looks good here. It's still holding over the 236 here. So well, as we keep going over, very bullish looking chart. It's still making higher highs and curled up with higher lows on the macro weekly chart here. The big breakout price to beat is 10.4. Once you get over 10.4, then we'll focus on the higher prices here. The next one being, of course, we have the market cap on the screen there, 27 cents. But right now on this thing, which I said it could still pull all the way back to that 382, but the fact that it's holding up here, which if we draw on two different levels here, we'll start from the bottom here to the high. you can see the 236 puts you at about 6.4, which this is also going to match up. Let's just go down to the daily chart here. And if we pull up from that most recent low, which is not perfect, but it is still that 6.4 level. But this little double bottom with the higher low where it moved up again, if we go here, that 6.4 level, 6.5 level is the 382. So on this one, you're just below 8.1. So yeah, that pretty much tells you that you're going to come down to the 382 at 6.5 here, but you're still bullish over that level. And the reason I pointed that out is because the 382 here, and then when we pull it down, it is also the 236 there at that same level. So that could tell us that's where it's headed to. But also bringing this back down, you can see the 618 is down here, just right below the macro 382. So if this thing is going to have a fat retracement like it has in the past every time it pumps, just let me go back to the weekly chart here. It could very well just come back down to that 618 and that 382 level here. It is a huge drop. We'll see what happens. Excuse me. We'll see what happens today. Well, you do have the 0.5 here, 30% drop, but that 382.618 is a 65% drop. And the only reason I say that is because in the past, it has these huge retracements back down once it goes up. Doesn't have to, though. We'll see what happens here, but Moonwell is going to go to the moon, 12 billion market cap, up to the new high at 424 and a 52x from today. Yeah, Well's going to be a really good play. Even if it pulls back, that'll even increase that multiplier there. But yeah, I like Well. The more we look at Well, the more I like it. But yeah, I would simply watch that 6.3, 6.4 level here. If you can stay above that, potentially you're bullish still and you'll push right back up. And then I think you said Cody. Haven't looked at Cody in a while, but I'm pretty sure we have a chart for it. Let me go see what you said. Where's you at, Jason? Jason for 5. I appreciate it. Graph and Cody. Okay, we're gonna look at Graph and Cody. We got Charles for 10. I appreciate that. Throw this into Toad, LOL. I may just do that. I'm just gonna pull my money out of Soul Ordy, what's left of it, and throw it into Toad. See what happens. I was gifted a lot of money, 2 souls, and it's all gone almost. It's so sad. But I appreciate that. Let's look at Cody really quick here. Yeah, I'm getting behind on the chat you guys are saying. I got to finish these super chats here. All right, Cody. Oh, we're already on there. All right, so the last time we looked at Cody, it came down a little bit, but ultimately it's still holding structure here. Not looking the worst. Well, what I can do here first, weekly chart. Let's see if it hit 618. Yeah, right above the 618 and holding. So that could tell you that was it, and it's going to bounce back up. 8.2. If it does drop, then it's just simply coming down. 7.86 and the 236 macro at 7. So what was that? It's at 8.6. If it does go below 8.2, then you will hit that final level here, and that should be the bottom for a nice bounce. 16% drop. But let me fix it here. But this one here simply broke the uptrend, pretty much back tested it twice. But it is starting to curl up, even though it looks like a lower high here. It's curling up. So it's either going to hold where it is or it's going to come back down to this level and bounce. But it's in a very good spot if you're ever to buy in on Cody. If the market doesn't dump today, if we dump and everything just starts breaking down, then I don't know what else to say. But Cody here, I don't know the market cap offhand, but 786 retracement, 36 cents, 36.5 would give you a 4x from where you are today. And then a moonshot up to a 2.4 billion market cap, 17.5, almost an 18x new high at 154. So if you think Cody can hit a 2.4 billion market cap, decent move here. I remember back in the day, people talked about Cody all the time. down here in prime buying opportunities, or prime buying spot, that is. And then you said GRT. GRT is going to be a real good one. The graph is going to be a huge winner this cycle. So adjusting this, we're still holding the uptrend here, so it looks good. Looks like Velodrome holding the macro uptrend. It never really broke down. Holding the 236, holding our box. So this very well could be the bottom. Making higher lows. Looks good. 13. Nice. It's nice looking here. Probably the bottom on GRT, unless, like I said, the market and the election dumps the market for some reason. Hopefully that's not the case. But this thing here, let me see. Let me draw real quick. High to the low, bottom confirmed in over 16, you're at 14, bullish over 19, 20 cents here. And that'll push the price up to the macro 382, and then macro bullish over 24 on GRT. But like I said, I like GRT. GRT, where is it going to end up? New high would give you an 81 billion market cap. GRT, I have to look at this one. You guys are going to have to give me a moment. But GRT, okay, you guys can see. I was making sure we were on the right chart. No, I just want to see the market cap for GRT at the moment. The graph. Okay, it's got a 1.3 billion market cap. With 90% of the tokens in circulation, that is very bullish. GRT is good here. Cody is a sleeping giant, 2 billion LOL easy. Okay. It's good to have you guys in here putting your thoughts out there and helping people. I got lost. Okay, so Cody. Yeah, I would say the 786 retracement is definitely possible. So an 8.5x from today for Cody, or not Cody, graph. GRT to 121. 11.5 billion market cap. I think this is very possible. And if it gets through that, comes up to the previous high, makes a slightly lower high for some reason, 18.5x. But if you think it's going to hit an 81 billion market cap, that's a huge move, a 60x. 81 billion market cap. Not impossible. $8.60. What are your thoughts on GRT here? You think 81 billion is a lot? But yeah, another good looking one here. Very good spot here. It's curled up. It's probably about to have a spike up. Like I said, unless something stupid happens tonight. Yeah, I'm missing all kinds of stuff here. I appreciate that, Charles. Throw my money into Toad. Yeah, we did well. Okay, I think we're caught up. Besides, I can't go back through all the chat here. What's up, Metal? See, you made it in today. Yeah, we covered XCN already. Very good looking coin. Very good spots to take profit. Very bullish on XCN. What's up, Aaron? He says when Graph came out, it went from a penny to damn near 56 cents. So you think the Graph is going to potentially hit a new high? That would be nice. But yeah, I think I may dump my soul already into something just because I'm tired of waiting. I know I did that last time and lost money, but now it's pretty much gone anyway, so why not? I should have just all left it in a safe play, like a really good safe play, but I didn't. Damn, we've been here for an hour already. Nice. PNG and AOS both up at the moment. But yeah, if anyone said anything else to look at, just comment it again. But when 10 people comment something, I can't cover everything. Someone said PNG and GFI are all moving. Yeah, it's got a little pump going on. It's still holding our level. Still looks good here. Looking on the macro, it hasn't really budged. It is slowly coming down here a little bit. Excuse me. But it's still holding over our level. Breakout over 30 to the moon. Just going to 10x out of here. Yeah, PNG, AOS, IOS, same exact chart here. Yeah, holding up our green box. Looks good. It looks exactly like PNG with the price action here. Yeah, these are good plays. They're holding up in our patterns, getting ready to run. What was the one that was dying? Oh, it was GFI, wasn't it? Did GFI ever recover? It hit our levels here, 0.5382, and bounced. Yeah, this is what I remember now. It needs to get back over 166 to show signs of life, and then eventually break the downtrend here that it pulled away from. But it did the same thing it did back here. It pulled away, came all the way down and held support, or held support rather, and then it did the same thing again. Pulled away from the trend, hit support, and bounced. So it'll probably come back up here, and then we'll see if it can break out. Give you one last time to buy in, I guess. GFI. What's up, Dennis? Now is the time after the election and Fed meeting. Getting these prices might be a memory. Yeah, if we go up from here, the election's bullish and we don't drop. We've been looking at everything over the last, 6 months or more. Excuse my voice. All the times we've been looking at something and we're saying the bottoms are in, the final support levels, the consolidation, cryptic finance here, trying to hold up. If we start going up from here, then you guys are winning, because you guys are getting the best buying opportunities you can. I hope we go up from here. Blocktopia went to 0, I guess. They took the chart off. Blocktopia, Orca. I forgot about Orca. What was the other one? I asked you guys this a couple of streams ago. Whatever happened to Circuits of Value? Damn, did they delete the chart? Is Koval not a thing anymore? What was the ticker for Koval? I gotta get a tissue again. Does anyone know the ticker for Koval? All right, I'm back. XOM is bloated, too many coins. XOM, we haven't looked at XOM in a long time. I actually have. Let me see if I can look on my phone. On my Exodus wallet, I still have, which I need a bunch of Ethereum gas fees to sell it or to convert it. You guys remember Kyber? KNCL? I have the old Kyber tokens in my wallet, but I have to swap them out for the new coin, for the new token. And it's like a really big gas fee to do that, which is not even worth it. But this stuff's been sitting in this wallet forever. Oh, I didn't even notice I have 10 XRP in this wallet too. $5 of XRP, let's go. But yeah, not very many people in here today. But I appreciate you guys coming in here. Joseph says alts can bleed 40 to 60% still. Man, I hope not. XLM. I guess we'll look at XLM since no one's coming up with COBOL. Or Deso. Deso's still going to zero. That social coin. Yeah, this thing just died. Damn, it came right down to the 1272. Isn't that nice to see? Jeez. Deso to the bottom of the abyss. This one just completely sucks. Damn. Deso to zero. XLM. XLM. I don't remember the last time we looked at this one. It's down below the 236. It's going sideways. It's clearly formed. What do you call this pattern here? Continuation pattern? Consolidation in a triangle pattern. Move down. Is it going to start going down more? You say a good buying opportunity. Could be. Let's see here. Low to the high. Oh, yeah, it's sitting right on the 786 here. Final support. Damn, I didn't mean to do that. So, ignoring the triangle pattern here, this could very well be the bottom for this thing. So, yeah, you're about right. XLM to the moon. Oh, once it gets over 12, bottom in, 17.8, bullish. Let's see if we have a market cap on this one. No, we do not. Stellar Lumens. Damn, we only have 11 people in here. Where's everyone at? Work? Work and getting ready for the election. All the Texas people left in here, huh? Stellar Lumens is at a 2.7 billion market cap. Okay. 2.7 billion, 60% of the supply in circulation. It's potentially on the bottom to be bought. So if this thing can go to $1.54, XLM to $1.54. Oh, it's got 29 billion tokens. All right, so that would take it to a 40. What did I say? 45 billion market cap. I'll just go ahead and mark that down since we're here. 45 billion market cap for a 16x. On XLM here, Stellar Lumens. Eldor says Stellar Lumen wants all the smoke with Ripple. Joseph, oh, you're from California, huh? 9:21 a.m. Okay. XRP to 589. That's a specific price. Yeah, I think XLM's going to XRP's going to $5. Maddie's bloated. I don't know what that means. Oh, XRP bloated might hit $4 top. You guys don't agree it's going to 5? I think it's going to 5. Shadow says, I think you mean Deso. Dito got delisted. Yeah, did Koval get delisted? I know they got delisted from Coinbase, but I couldn't even find their chart anymore. Aaron's from the UK. Okay. What time is it over there? But yeah, we had someone from the beach area in California last night. Can't remember his name. Maybe he's lingering in the shadows here. 20 people in here again. Frog on Soul, the chef, welcome back. Whatever happened to helium, HNT? Big time. What's up, Strawberry Waffle? Oh, you're right by the Ripple headquarters. Okay. California in the house. Big time. I haven't looked at big time in a long time. We may have only covered it a couple of times on the channel here. Oh, this one's on Coinbase. I forgot about that. Yeah, we haven't looked at it in a while. High to the low, big time here. It's down below the 382 once again, but it's making higher highs and higher lows, curled up here. Doesn't look bad. Big time going to be a good play. Yeah, it's sitting right on the 236 support at 14. So it's still bullish here. 16.6 is the price to beat. Damn it. But doesn't look too bad, curling up here. If the coins are the same, we do have these on the chart. New high, 1.6 billion market cap to 219. It's a 14x. Or no, 13x. Well, no, yeah, 14x. And then 14143 is a 2.5 billion market cap for a 20x. So yeah, if this one hits a new high, it's going to hit a billion market cap, almost 2 billion. Good, decent little, almost 14x. But it is curling up and it doesn't look too bad here. $5.25 p.m. Okay. He says, oh, you just added a small bag of big time. Okay. Oh, you're just being funny. Oh, damn. Alicia said Toad is moving up. Should I buy Toad? Am I missing it already? Should I buy it so it can go to 0? Damn. Let's see here. I don't know, it's tempting me. So I'm tired of just holding nothing that goes to 0. He says buy the turbo dips. I don't have enough money to buy the turbo dips, my man. I have... How much is Soul already down now? Cheddar to the moon. I gotta go look at my wallet, I guess. But yeah, Soul already tried to fake me out. It broke out. I thought I was finally going to get a little 3-4x move, and it's back down below the downtrend. Damn. So that means I'm under 200 bucks now, probably. That's why I'm thinking about just selling it and just putting it on Toad. I mean, Toad went to the moon already. Yeah, Toad is already moving again, damn it. Nice looking wick here. It was, when we looked at it earlier, sitting right on this 1618 at 29, just sitting perfectly on it. Now it's moving up. So if Toad continues to run, where is it going? Next potential stop here. Oh, not bad. 8.5x. Eight and a half X on Toad. Wake up tomorrow and it's going to be up here, and I'm going to be like, damn it, why didn't I just buy it? And before Coinbase bags it up, Mew looks good. I might get back in, take half and put it on there. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Put $100 on it and it does an 8x. It'd be a start, wouldn't it? Yeah, that would be a good little start. Get me back up a little. I'd be happy with that. Mew. Mew to the moon. Oh, cat in a dog's world. Mew on Soul. Yeah, it hit the high and it pulled back. Made a higher high. It looks good. The overall chart looks good. Got a nice little candle spawning in here. Pretty much hit the 236 at 7.4. Not perfectly, but you can see the idea. Yeah, Mew is still bullish here. Once it breaks over a penny, next couple of stops up. 78% move. Let's fix that. 90% move up to 16, a penny and a half, and then a 240% move to 3 pennies. And it may go way higher than that. Very bullish looking chart. Looks like it's ready to just have a god candle spawn in. You convinced yourself it would go to 0. It's not going to do that. I think you'll be happy with this one. Which one are you talking about? You talking about Toad? Yeah, I don't see any buyers for Soul Ordi. I don't think Soul Ordi is doing anything. It dropped back down. Toad to the moon. Speak it into existence and it will happen. I won't take anything less than an 8x. I am ready. I'm tired of being broke. Alright, I'm going to dump half my Soul Ordi into it. Alright, I still got a little over 200. Alright, there we go. I just put $114 in Toad, $115. Just did half. $100 on Toad. $100 on Toad could be a good play. Yeah, hopefully. Toad to the moon. He says he's going to swap his GFI for Well. Huh. K-Sip, welcome in. I don't know if you've been here before. K-Sip. I think you've been here. Shib to a penny. Shib to a penny. I don't know why that was funny. Yep, I was in the SHIB community for a long time. Always been told SHIB to a penny, SHIB to $1. So Honk is pumping. Honk looks good. Where's flip coins? Is used car moving? Forgot about used car. Gently used voting machine. Look at this. Look at this crap they have spawning in here. Gently used voting machine rigged. Rigged on Sol. Let the scammers begin. Rigged on Sol. Used car. I would imagine used car is pumping. A little bit, not much. Still below the 382 here, so not the greatest looking at the moment. But it's holding up. Completely flat prices here, you can see. So maybe it gets back over 13 and continues to run like Honk is doing right now. Shib to a penny. I think we made 6K from 100K Telk challenge from CKJ last cycle. Oh yeah, you guys keep telling me to watch him. I keep forgetting. $100 to 6K. That would be nice. That's all I need. I need something to boost me up. Check out Dog. Dog. Isn't Dog on the other chart? I know we looked at it, but we look at so much I can't remember what's what. Yeah, you got to tell me where it is and what it's on, because this does not look familiar. I don't think this is it. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. I was thinking it's on TradingView. Dog. Dog and Shib to the moon. And is anyone in here bullish on Elon? I still want to buy Elon if it waits for me. Which it may. I need Toad to go to the moon first. Dog. Yeah, there's a lot of things having nice little candles spawn in right now. Pump into the election. So I know you guys from all around the place. Is everyone here going to watch it, even if you're not from the U.S.? You're going to be watching the coverage tonight. This one still looks bullish, curled up here. It is pumping. It's above the 382. Price to beat is 41. And we've probably said this 1,000 times, or a couple of times since we haven't looked at it very much. New high would take you up to the 786 at 0068 and keep the market structure in play here. So the next leg up, which is potentially off of this, would take you up there. Why does it look like that? All right, so let's move this up. Yeah, the next leg up on this thing is about a 72% move. And then new high, 2 billion market cap for 4x. I imagine that's what that is. I don't know why these are below. Where do you think Dog's going to? Maybe I had it here. Maybe it's that. Yeah, I don't know why they're down below. Very confusing. Dog. 5x to a 3 billion market cap. I guess that's what we were saying, to 2 pennies. $10 billion market cap on Dog. Okay. Maybe it does come all the way up to the 2272. 22x. 9 pennies. 9 pennies on dog. Let's see here. Dog to the moon. I don't remember what the market cap is. Let me fix this chart because I really need to get off my ass and make a bunch of updates on the channel. Dog. Damn, I don't see it on. It's not popping up on CoinGecko. What is the ticker, dog? Well, I guess I got it up on my screen, don't I? Dog. I can't find this one on anything for the market cap. How did we get these? Excuse me. But yeah, dog looks good on the chart. Maybe it does hit 9 pennies. 100 billion circulating supply. What did I miss? Maddie, did you just send me $100, Maddie? Damn, I appreciate that if you did. Maddie Ghost for the win. Maddie's on the wall of fame up there with Elizabeth and Big Willie. I appreciate that a lot. I wish you could get YouTube money instantly. Just like an exchange where you could just click on it and transfer it into your wallet. That way I can use it and not have to wait a month to get it. $100 super chat. Let's go, Maddie. I appreciate that. Maddie for the win. Dog go to the moon. Thanks for covering ALB and CTX. No problem. Oh yeah, I did updates on those today. Someone covered Maddie's request. Nice. So what you want me to look at, Maddie? Mr. Ghost for the win. I'm gonna call you Mr. Ghost from now on. Mr. Ghost with the support of the undead. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the super chats that come in. I'll leave that up on the screen. Motivate some more people. Damn, that's nice. You should do crypto addresses in your description. Dude, look in the description of the live stream. Every live stream has a huge tip jar. Every video has a tip jar, but not a large one, just on the live streams. But I appreciate that. I appreciate the super chats coming in here from you guys. From Jason today, Charles, Maddie, and then Mr. Long sent me $23 on Cash App. Yeah, I do have a Cash App link. Mr. Long sent me some Cash App money earlier. It's all in the description. How about Alvagache Ghost? Oh, you're being funny. Alvagache. Let's see here. But yeah, dog. I hope all these coins you guys are invested in go up. By the end of this, you guys aren't even going to be here anymore because you're rich. And then if I'm still here, I'll have a new bunch of people coming in for the bear market. Yeah, hopefully Trump wins, or whoever wins. We're not going to be political here, but if Trump wins, we go bullish, and then we get some more or less regulation in the U.S., and we can actually trade futures here on different things. Wouldn't that be nice to deregulate all the stuff like Coinbase that we can use here, and Coinbase adds futures, and we can long and short on there? That would be ideal. That way I can have a plan for the bear market. What'd you say? Maddie says ALB. ALB to the moon. Yeah, Alien Base is still looking nice. It's just, it had a nice run, and now it's just taking a break. It's resting right on the 1618 support at 30. So as long as you're holding over 30, after this thing gets a drink of water from the huge run it had, It's going to run again 140%, 73. Alien base to the moon here. So if we do flip bullish after this election or whatever, that would be nice to have all these things start running again. And then alien base to the moon. It's going to $10, $1 billion market cap, and hopefully you own this, Mr. Ghost, and you're going to get a 34x almost from today after this already ran. But it all depends on if you hold 30. If not, we'll just we'll update it from there. But yeah. Yeah, less regulation would be the best thing we could get. It's nice living in the U.S., especially in Texas, but the government sucks. Taxes everything. They want to steal all our money. We can't even trade crypto without paying taxes on it. And everything you do, you pay taxes on. They all want your money, even though they don't even need the money. Not political, but you guys get the idea. They take all our money over the last couple of years, and they've just been sending all of that money they steal from us over to Ukraine. No one even talks about that anymore. You said Ghost. What is Ghost doing? But I think it's even less. The guys that live in New York, I don't know if it is the way in California, but New York people can't do anything really. I think all they can use is Uphold, ain't it? Yeah, but GHST, I haven't looked at that in a minute. Not looking the worst. Broke the downtrend. I know no one really asked for this. You were kidding, but we'll throw it in there. Damn, down below the final support level. But yeah, this thing's making higher low, so it's probably bottomed out in the middle of nowhere. Start moving up, which I say middle of nowhere, but if we just simply draw this here, you can see all the support back here, even on that wick. So that's the reason it held, and it's curling up. 97, the bottom is confirmed. 124, you're bullish. And then to the moon, new high on Ghost here, which I don't even know what this is. This is a game, isn't it? I don't know what the game coins are going to do this cycle. New high, 271 million market cap is a good 5x. I think it's guaranteed on this one. 10x to 481 million, and then a moonshot to $1 billion market cap, 27, 30x, 31x. Yeah, that one doesn't look bad for a new high. Low market cap. Jesus. New York sucks. Coinbase, Gemini, and Robinhood only. I always forget about Gemini and Robinhood. I live in Thailand during the winters. Really? I hear it's very nice over there in Thailand. In Vietnam. Vietnam is supposed to be a beautiful country. STX, you say? Been in STX for a long time. Don't sleep on STX. What is STX? Did Toad really drop? I told you guys it's going to go to 0 when I buy in. It probably broke support. I killed it. I killed the frog. I killed the frog, damn it. I killed the frog. I'm moving to Thailand, and after this bull run, if it happens. Nice. I gotta get out of California, way too expensive. 3K on mortgage and insurance. Yeah, I hear it's really expensive over there. STX. You should move to Texas, but move up to where there's not humidity. Damn, I spelled Texas. STX. But if you live down by like Galveston or anywhere along the coast in Texas, hot, humid summers, hot as hell, and you're sweating all the time. My parents ended up moving up north, about 8 hours away from where we used to live. I don't live there anymore, but I still live down in the hot, dry Texas. But they moved to where the humidity's very, very low from where they've lived their whole life for 40 plus years. They love it up there. The bills, the electric bill, everything's like not even a quarter of what they used to pay here. Or down here, you're paying $600, $700, $500 during the summer just to keep your house cool with central air, depending on your house, of course. But they went from paying about $5 something a month just to cool their house to paying about $23 a month to cool their house up in North Texas, away from all the humidity. That is nice. Provide, welcome, good evening. Just came back from voting. You voted bullish or bearish? Don't tell us, but I'm just saying. Bullish or bearish today? Yeah, you're fine with the hurricanes down here as long as you don't live in Galveston. Just don't live on the coast. Don't live in a big city. Houston floods all the time. It'll rain heavy and Houston floods. Houston sucks. Houston has some of the worst traffic in the world, in my opinion. I hate driving in Houston. Which I haven't been there in a long time. Last place I went big was probably San Antonio. But what were we looking at? Ghost. Oh yeah, stacks. STX. Yeah, oh, STX looks good here. It's one of the ones that looks like it held the overall uptrend, macro uptrend. You can see still intact. Wick bottom looks good here. Didn't quite, yeah, made a higher low. It's down below the 786. What'd you say? Am I looking at the wrong thing? I like STX at $1. Oh, you're thinking it's going to come down? Unless I'm looking at the wrong thing here. Low to the high, it's right on the 0.5. We'll see what happens though. But probably not, if that's what you mean. If you mean it's going to $1, may not happen. As you can see here, it's holding the uptrend perfectly. Trend line in play for the win and the 0.5. It's about to bounce up and get over 186 and go to the moon when we go bullish here tonight. STX, new high, 11 billion market cap, a 4.5x to 7, 16.4 billion to 11, 1414, a 7x, and then a 30 billion market cap, $19, $20, 12x, a little over 12x. But yeah, the overall chart looks very good. Macro chart is very bullish. It's about to move up. STX 20 minimum, $20. Okay, so that takes us right up there, if that's what you mean. 30 billion market cap minimum, he says. So good for a decent 12x, 12.5x. Yeah, I can see that happening from where it is. This thing looks good on the overall chart. 4-hour RSI 100. What does that mean? And yet again, I appreciate that super chat. I'll always remember that. We got Maddie, Big Willie, and Elizabeth coming in here with the big super chats for the win. Proppy, Elixio, how's it going? Welcome back. Good to see you here. 21 people in here. Proppy, I like it 60, no buying pressure. So what is BTC at while I go over to Proppy? Is BTC still above 70K? I haven't even looked at it today. Well, I guess I could just look at it here. Oh, damn, we are. Oh, she's pushing. Come on. 73.7's the price to beat. Can you imagine if we make a new high and then we dump after the election? Yep. 200K BTC this next year. Hopefully. But what do we say? Proppy. Oh, that's that property one. We keep saying prop. Proppy, Coinbase Coin, Pro to the moon. Oh yeah, this one went straight up and straight down. What are we looking at here? Damn. It's just below the 0.5. Hold on. Damn it. So as long as you're below 9, it puts in play the 618 retracement here. Which it doesn't have to, but Proppy, you can see we do have the 382 here. So maybe it comes down to the 382 and wicks down to the 618 at 63 and drops about 28%. But if you can hold 6.8, like I said, even with a wick, then still good to go. Bullish there. But what I was going to do is pull up from this low, this pullback to the high. See if we're sitting on anything that we can see. No, it's down below the 618, 786 is here. So that could very well tell us the price is coming down here. So maybe it only hits this and holds that. But yeah, Proppy. Damn. 22% discount here soon. And then Proppy to the moon, new high, 1 billion market cap. Damn it. 12 bucks. 13x. Is that fair on Proppy? A billion market cap? It already got above the 786 and then fell back down. Billion market cap. He says we're going to make a new high probably in 12 days. What's going on? More money. I think this is the first time you've been in here. How's it going? Welcome in. Fort is a fantastic play, he says. Fort to the moon. Charles says I pay $300 a month for a 2-bedroom house in Thailand. Damn. So you got an extra bedroom for me and my family? $300 a month. Thailand. But yeah, we looked at Proppy. More money says Fort to the moon. Fort to the moon. We look at Fort all the time. Fort is at the bottom. Probably the best time ever to buy Fort here. It's still in a downtrend. It tagged the bottom once again. Yeah, time to go up from here. Anyone buying Fort at these prices? People say it's hard to time the bottom, but we're right on the cusp of the bull run. We'll see what happens, but this looks like the bottom to me. If it goes lower, just cut your losses and get out, but looks like the bottom has been put in. Bull run time to the moon. Once it gets back over 12, confirmed bottom, over 15, you're bullish. Macro bottom over 19, macro bullish over 32. And then Fort, 618 retracement and a bull run, 8.5x, 276, 376 million market cap, very possible. 786 here I think is very possible. $1.40 for a 15x. Very good targets on Fort here. I say it, but if I had like 5 to 10K, I'd put it on Fort here. 5K on Fort. And then watch these targets here for some profit. And then if you think it's going to hit a new high, which we don't have a market cap for, very massive, probably not possible, almost 87x to $8. I guess anything's possible, but I wouldn't count on that. But yeah, Fort's a good play. Yeah, I was going to do an update on Peanut. I haven't looked at it though, but it was trending and I think it was up like 70%. They killed that poor little squirrel, huh? I say poor little squirrel, but I got squirrels in my damn attic right now that piss me off every day. Scratching around, springtime, they're always having babies. They're all over the trees, all over the yard. But I guess it's my fault because we have chickens in the backyard. I've said this before. They always come out to eat the chicken food. There's birds and chickens and animal life all over the damn place. .63 property, come on, LOL. Oh. Yeah, just give me a moment. I gotta get a drink and another tissue. Oh yeah, Bitcoin's starting to push on the 1 minute chart. Let's go. We're going to the moon, boys. All right, back. Maddie says that's why he's moving to Thailand. Live like a king. Yeah, you could. You have some money. PRQ woke up. PRQ. Yeah, I think everything's waking up right now. Pretty much looks like everything else. A green candle, waking up, spawning in. Everything's getting excited, that is. Got a little pump, and then the election's gonna dump us back down, huh? PRQ. Just because we're here, bullish over 20, bottom in over 11. 786 retracement to $1 is going to give you 300 million market cap. Yeah, that's not bad. 15.5x to a 786 retracement and a bull run to $1. I would say that's very possible. And he says it's waking up. Yeah, low high 618, bounce at 64. She's alive. All these coins are coming back from the bear market, coming back from the dead. Yep, I don't think it's bad. I think the channel name suits crypto. The crypto undead. They die during the bear market and then they become back alive, or become back alive. They're undead once again. PRQ, I read that one. Superverse is a good play if you want to wait for the pullback is over, getting around 80 cents to 60 cents. Super. Yeah, super looks good here, as long as you're over 95. So you think there's going to be a pullback down to 60 or 58 here? Super for the pullback. Oh yeah, 382 at 86. Could very well made a lower high and went vertical, V shape. Could have a nice little retracement back down and then back up. I just can't wait till tonight's over to see what happens. But this one's not a bad play either if it does dip. But right now, 12.5x new high, 6 billion market cap, almost 7 billion. Super, I think, is going to be a good runner this cycle. Oh yeah, someone said SHIB earlier. SHIB to a penny. I know they burn and stuff, but SHIB to a penny is a little ridiculous. Not to, make fun of it or anything, but I've been there. Let me see. What is the target I have for SHIB? Caspa, perfect long. This thing's back up to 11. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Did any of you guys outside of the US listen to what we've been saying on Caspa the last couple of days and long it down here at 10? Man, that's a beautiful looking thing to do here. You could have put your stop loss right here at 10 exactly. Well, no, what did it come down to? I think it came down to 10.1. I keep talking about this. Yeah. I tried setting it up, putting my stop loss at 10.10. I believe that's what it was. Oh, no, my liquidation price was at 1.0. My stop loss was at 1.1 here. 101. So if I did even open it up, it would have stopped me out and then went up. That's how it always works. Always stopped me out and then it went, or I got liquidated if I didn't put a stop loss. Yeah, we're going to look at SHIB. Yeah, SHIB doesn't look too bad. It's holding that larger uptrend here. It's back over the 382. I would imagine that's a 382 to the upside, resistance at 1.8. Yep. Over 1.8, you're bullish. Macro bullish and short-term bullish to push up. But ultimately, SHIB to a penny. My target for SHIB, if anyone cares here, someone said SHIB earlier. My target is the 100 billion market cap here. 10x. So SHIB, old coin, not what it used to be. It's not going to run like it did last time. There's no possible way. Maybe some point in the future it hits a penny. Maybe. But I think it's good for a 10x. 3 zeros 1. Your imaginary penny. But if you're going to hold your SHIB to a penny, then I don't know what to tell you. Ricky, welcome back. He says, what do you think about Shisha? Is that a meme coin? Welcome back, Melman. How's it going? Moonwell. Yeah, we went over Moonwell earlier for Mr. Long. Yeah, and he actually Cash Apped me 23 bucks on Cash App. And I looked at Moonwell. Moonwell. I'll go look at it again, I guess, in just a moment. Yeah, Ricky, what is Shisha? Trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. Shisha. Well, I guess since we're here, I'm gonna go over to Deck Screener. I don't even know what time it is. Okay, it's noon. Oh, I'm on the wrong damn chart. But welcome in, all you late bloomers. Well, yeah, Well's going to do good. Well's going to go to a 12 billion market cap. Probably this cycle. Well's a good play. Well's a really good play. Very bullish looking overall macro chart. 52x to a 12 billion new high at $4. I think that's very possible. Which I say it's possible, but we'll see what happens. But there's a lot of people bullish on Well, so people know about it. You can buy it. It's on Coinbase. It'll probably be a good runner, but it hasn't changed since we looked at it earlier. Keep it simple. Until you get over 10.4, the 618, it got stuck on the macro. Just watch about 6.5. 6.5, 6.4, as long as you hold that, you're still bullish to try to push through 10.4. But if you cannot get over 10.4, once you take out 6.5 support, then you're probably going to retrace back down like it does every time. Makes a new high and comes down every time. Holding the structure, of course. But if we don't just immediately flip bullish, I could easily see this thing 618 getting stuck, coming back down, 382, and then it'll go back up. Which that is about a 60% drop if I remember. So any lower than 6.4, 6.5, 30% drop to 5.3 to 0.5, but then if it repeats history, about a 65% drop to the 382 at 2.7. But if it pushes through 10.4, then so be it. I'll go for a 5x on Shiba so you can rotate the profits into something else. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Joseph, if you have the money, I'm just talking in general. If you have the money, these older plays, it's not easy to say which one's going to go first, but if you just put money in and you get a little 3 to 5x, roll that into something else, get another 5x, roll it into something else, you know it's going to do a 10x, like Dogecoin or something like that. No problem, Mailman, but yeah. Someone else will come in here asking for Well again. 2 hours in. But all right, let me go over to YouTube and see what it looks like over here. Let me run a poll. YouTube. Yeah, I'll be up tonight watching the election. I'd imagine most of you are also going to do the same. Damn, what is happening here? Why did I open up 1,000 tabs all of a sudden? Trying to get over to YouTube so I can run a poll. But yeah, Moonwell. Someone asked for. All right, bring out your gamble coins. We're back on deck screener. Shisha. No idea what that's on. I guess it's the only one here. Shisha Inu. Let me go back over to YouTube. Shisha Inu. Looks like a scam. The pair has very little liquidity. Damn, it's only got at $27. Yeah, I don't know who wanted me to look at this, but this is a scam. If this is the right Shisha. Oh yeah, that's the question I was going to ask you guys. The fact that I have the live stream we're on now monetized, do you guys get ad interruptions while you're watching the live stream? That's the big question. Because I would imagine you don't want to be interrupted during a live stream, so maybe I'll stop doing that. But that's what I wanted to ask you guys. Are you guys getting interrupted while you're watching the live stream? Yeah, and don't forget to hit the like button. I just got on here and we only have 26 likes. Nicole, welcome back. Welcome back. Toad on Soul. Is Toad on Soul? Yeah, it is on Soul. There's no way SHIB to a penny. That's what I think too. The SHIB influencers want you to believe that, but it's never going to happen. Just like the XRP Moon Boys, you know, want XRP to go to $10, $100, whatever they're saying. It's never going to happen. Put 5K into a blue chip that's good for a 5 to 10x, then boom, you're up. Yep, exactly. And that's the spot I was in at the beginning of the year. I was on cloud 9 in January and February when I still had my other job. I had $5,000 in a couple of coins, and a couple of coins I had $3,000 in, and it's all gone, and it's just so, I don't even want to think about it. But yeah, SHIB's not going to a penny. I forgot what I was going to make a poll about. Yeah, damn it, I can't remember. Oh well. But is this the right Shisha? I don't know where Ricky went. But Shisha's a scam. No one's going to buy this, ever. But yeah, we looked at Toad. I actually put $100 on Toad earlier. Pulled it out of my Soul Ordi that's going back to 0. Because Toad, when we first looked at it today, it was sitting right on top of the 1618, just chilling at 2.9, and it's now up to 3.8. It already pumped up, and then I put some money in it, so hopefully it'll keep running. Maybe I'll get my $100 to 8x here. 8.5x from where it is right now. Hasn't moved since I put my money in. But yeah, Toad. Hopefully Toad continues to run. Honk was still moving. Yeah, Honk's trying to get back over the 382. Nice little pump. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get back on later. when the election coverage starts, I know everyone's going to be watching that, but you think we should live stream then? Maybe we'll get a reaction in the market. Maybe everyone will pile into crypto streams buying crypto. But any last words here? We're already 2 hours in. Election day to the moon. Yeah, someone answered me before we get off of this. Do you guys see ads during the live stream? Maybe that's why y'all are delayed. But I'll go back over here. Let me go back over here. I would imagine, though, everyone live streaming and talking about the election and what's going to happen. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Just a bunch of air blowing at the moment. No one knows what's going to happen. Toad. Oh, someone just covered Toad. Zap Franca 4 hours ago. Toad coin is simply wild. Toad community getting established. That's what I want to hear. Give me my 8x, damn it. I will not accept anything less than an 8x overnight. Oh, I was reading someone's comment. You guys wake up yet? $15 people still in here. Y'all haven't chatted in like 5 minutes. Trying to see if I'm still live. But yeah, if you're listening, Yosef, I agree with that. Just flip 500 into 1K, then put 1K into something with a new narrative. Got to first get my 100 up to an 8x, and then I flip $800 into something. Get the snowball rolling here. Come on now. Okay, I thought we were down. Alright, took off CoinGecko. Maybe that fixes the problem. Maybe I'll do see ads because I just went over to the live stream on YouTube and there was an ad popping up. But yeah, hopefully Toad moves. He says Brett is about to bounce. Let's look at Brett, if I could spell. Yeah, I mentioned this before. The newer coins, I always think of Sui now. Sui, Pepe, Brett. All these coins are probably going to be really good players this cycle. I think Pepe and Brett are going to be like the new Shibas and stuff of this cycle. They're going to be the ones that run hard. And whatever else is out there, I can't think of any offhand. I don't remember where we were looking at Brett. Is this where we were looking at it? Let me see. Nope. Damn it. Not the RSI. All right, so Brett's high to the low came right up to the 1414 at 17 and got stuck. Pulled all the way back 786, bounced. It's moving up. So this gives us our targets to watch. Brett to a 40 billion market cap would give you $4 and a 40. Let's move this up. Oh yeah, I think we did say this last time. A 45x on Brett. Oh, that's changed. It's come down. If Pepe's going to a 50 billion market cap, then Brett could hit 40 billion at 449 and a half, almost a 50x on Brett. But you say it's about to bounce. It is bouncing. Brett, Degen, Pepe, low to the high, 618. Curling up here in price. Price to beat is 8.2, and then over 9 pennies, you're bullish. But yeah. I hate when these fibs move themselves. And then ultimate low to the high on Brett's. What is this doing? Yeah, once it gets back over 8.5 and then 9, you're bullish again. Excuse me. Damn it, I forgot to cover the mic. Elixio, I don't get any ads. Okay, that's what I was wondering about. Okay, I'll go back and look at it. I spelled it wrong, of course. Mog. Val and Logan, how's it going? Welcome in. Not sure if you've been here before, but welcome back if you've been here. LCX. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a new update on LCX and doing a new chart. Let me see, what is LCX doing? Because LCX was breaking down. I did a new, I don't know if you guys watched it yet. You probably didn't, but I did a new ARC block update. I did a new Coinbase chart. Just because I wanted myself a fresh look at it and something to make a little more sense. All right, we're looking at the Coinbase chart on LCX here. This is where we've been watching it. So it came down low to the high, 618 retracement, 382 on the larger. So it did hold the 618. It's holding right now at 9. Any lower than 9, then I mentioned before, it could retrace a lot lower and it could be done. But I know you guys are bullish on LCX, which it's going to have a nice, decent run this cycle. But what to watch for is this. Even though it's going to bounce here, it is making lower highs here. So it could very well come up to the 0.5. You're bullish on it up to 14. But if it gets stuck at that level again, which I've went over many, many times, many moons, this is the area where it got stuck for multiple years. This 0.5 retracement, this 14 penny level. Excuse me. And then once we got above it, we're now back below it. So once you come up here again, I would imagine this support or this resistance now, once turned support, is now going to be resistance again. We'll see what happens, but it could do this. But if we can get back over 14, you're in good shape on LCX. But yeah, LCX, from my understanding, was manipulated. That's why it came down so far. We weren't expecting this because it was holding up like a lot of things were, and then it just broke down out of nowhere. But hopefully that helped a little bit on it. LCX is a hard one to explain right now because it did die like that, but it is holding that support level down here at 9. Trying to see if I see anything else on the chart here worth mentioning. But where's the LCX going to end up going? What do you guys think? 1 billion market cap, 160 new high, 1 billion, 17.5, almost an 18x from where LCX is today. I think that's fair. Oh, that's nice to see. Joseph said he's been doing this since 2017. I've been not for charts. Had 2 mentors. That's good. You've been doing this longer than I have. I'm still learning. It's good to see you here, though. Just tell me I'm doing a good job. Joseph, the mentor. He's my mentor now. I want to be like Joseph. All right, let's go look at Shish, however you say that. And Mog is up. But yeah, not too many people in here today at all. Still just 15 people. Sissa. Let me make sure I got this right before we go on. But I would have to say, I think I got one of the best communities out there. I know you guys probably watch other channels, but the fact that you guys come in here and you support the channel and the super chats I get sometimes, like today, Maddie Ghost here sent me $100. And of course, Charles 10, Jason 5, I appreciate those. Someone sent me something on Cash App. The support you guys give when there's only 14 to 20 people in here sometimes, 30, 40 people sometimes, but the fact that we don't have a ton of people in here, I appreciate you guys a lot. You don't have no idea what this means. And yet, again, I apologize for my voice. Shisha. Okay, I spelled that wrong. All right, we'll get it. Maybe not. Now, let's see here. Why am I not getting this right, Ricky? Help me, Ricky. Help me. Oh, Shisha. It's my sickness. I can't help it. All right, so it was this. This. Is this it? Let me see what else she said about it. Sissa. All right, yeah, this is it. Darnell, keep putting that work in. I appreciate the words, Darnell. Appreciate that. Yep, I've always just tried to be honest and just be myself and be real here. Ricky woke up sick. Yeah, I got off work Sunday night sick, and I've been sick for 2 days now. Awesome being sick on your days off. But yeah, keep putting in that work. I read that. Charles says you're by far the best. I'm pretty much stopped following anyone else. Are you kidding? I just can't follow. I can't watch. Well, I don't hardly watch anybody anymore, but it's hard to watch the influencers that just straight up lie to people. And I find it funny because I know, I'm not going to mention their names, but there's a couple of smaller channels. There's one that's a little bigger. No, there's 2 that are bigger than me, and there's one that's a little bit smaller, which I don't mind. But when I do updates on the channel and we cover something on something and we draw a new pattern or something, or we say something about something, specific that we find out that I look at, I always see there's an update on these guys' channels and it'll say the same exact thing that I just said the day before. And I'm like, look at this dude. This dude's getting his TA off of my TA. I mean, I don't mind. It makes me feel good, I guess, because people have to look at my TA, which I don't even think is the greatest. But the fact that these bigger channels copy me, it's weird. He says I was approved for a 23K loan. Damn, dude. Time to gamble. Love channels who are moon boys. Am I a moon boy? I just don't want. I can't accept anything less. I need to get back into the market, and I need it to be very bullish. I don't want to. I'm not saying I don't want to do it anymore, but I want to be comfortable. Elixio. Yeah, I just did an update on CTX today. There's an update on the channel. I did, I think, 4 updates this morning. I'm gonna do some more when I get off here, hopefully. Yesterday when I got off, I told you guys I was gonna live stream again, but I just felt horrible when I got off. It just got worse. I'm feeling okay right now, besides my voice and the coughing. Don't lose that 23K. Peanut. Oh yeah, Peanut. All right, we're looking at this one here. What is this? You said this is the right one. I'm gonna have to zoom all the way in on this one here. Oh damn, I can't do anything with this. 20K liquidity, 13K market cap. So this thing's brand new. Came out and they pulled the rug on everyone. There's Ethereum. I would just treat this simply as a gamble play. I can't do anything with this. I would not put a bunch of money in here. Don't pull a Louise and put 2,000 bucks on a meme coin. Hopefully he makes it. Hopefully Louise is out there and he's making it. Yeah, I can't do anything with this. There's no TA. Shisha is either going to keep going to 0, which it came down and it's completely flat. It's dead. It looks dead. But yeah, this is the right one, I think. I feel like I could put it all on one solid project and 3 meme coins. I could win. Exactly, 100%. I only watch my community in crypto because I ain't stand out honest people. So I've been following and meeting up with crypto investors. Oh, that's good. So you have a channel, Joseph? What do you have? I asked before if anyone had a channel. All right, so this is the right one. Yeah, this one's just completely dead. If you want to take a gamble on it, maybe it comes back alive, becomes the undead crypto, but the undead meme. I would just simply say, make sure their Twitter's active, check out the chat on their Twitter website. If it's going to be something, it's a very low market cap. It's got almost 700 holders. 700 people just got the rug pulled on them. Jesus, what kind of world do we live in? Excuse me. One positive thing to say is it's down 100%. Down 100%. Gamble token. Peanut. Is it this peanut up here? I imagine there's a whole bunch of peanuts, but is this it? Peanut the squirrel. Peanut the squirrel is going to the moon. Everyone pile in. Everyone pile into Toad. It's going to the moon. Oh yeah, this one had a beautiful setup. Just came out. Short-term chart looked very bullish. Double bottom, lower high, and then it went to the moon. It's pulling back right now. 4-hour candles. Not financial advice, but if I had 20K, I would just slide it into Dogecoin and wait for my 10x. But yeah, I'd imagine this is the right peanut. This one's the one that's trending #1. Should have bought this days ago. Damn. But the only thing I can do with peanut is... Oh, I guess we can. Sitting above the 236 here, so as long as you're above 19, you're at 19.5. this thing is still bullish to continue running. It looks like it's respecting the levels here because this is all people can draw on it. 382 and then the 236. So I just watched 19. As long as that holds, it's going to continue to go to the moon. I don't know. Is it going to die after the election? Because people are kind of pissed off at the people that killed the squirrel. It's all political stuff, so that high to the low, 2272 is where it's getting stuck. So if I get that one off, just remember that price. If this thing continues to run, I'm trying my best not to cough. 16% up to 2.2, 33% up to 2.5. And then let's see here. Let's just take it to the top. Let's go for broke. Let's go for the win. 2x to go to the top of the fib here. As long as you hold that price that we went over at the beginning. But it's too late on Peanut. I say that when I just put $100 into Toad. But I guess it's never too late. As he says in that movie. You guys seen that movie? Blood In, Blood Out. It ain't never over. Damn, Toad's going to 0. Oh no. Peanut to the moon. Yeah, Peanut will go to the moon and Toad will go to 0 because I bought in. Dogecoin, you think it'll do well this cycle? Yes, I do. Dogecoin, we'll go look at it in a minute, but Dogecoin is a solid 10x play. It's Dogecoin. Hold on, I gotta answer the phone. My son's calling from school. Damn it. All right, 2 hours and 30 minutes in, 18 people here. All right, we looked at a lot today. We did good, I think. Yeah, Elixio, I did a CTX update. Just go watch it over on the channel. Peanut to the moon. But yeah, we're going to end it here. I have to go run something to the school for my son. So that's it. It's a wrap for now. I'll think about getting on tonight during the election, during some point. If we start doing something, if we start running or dumping, we'll see what happens. If I missed anything, I apologize. I appreciate the super chats that came in. I appreciate Maddie there. Now on the wall of fame, $100 super chat from Maddie. I appreciate all the super chats that come in. I appreciate you guys showing love to the channel here. I'm about to cough again. But with that being said, none of this is financial advice. I will see you guys in the next one. And until then, we'll see what happens today. Peace out, everyone.